little bit nervous. Fighting my anxiety constantly, I try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel the spin. Hurts when I remember and I never wanna feel it again.
But I see.
Don't know if you get it, cause I can't express so thankful I am. That you were always with me when it hurts, I know that you'd understand.
È un DJ finì piccic, huccare le bucu.